What size of crack or length of crack should really be concerning to me of when I should call a professional like Dalinghaus Construction? Another question that we get asked is, what size of crack or length of crack should really be concerning to me of when I should call a professional like Dalinghaus Construction? Mark, when should they?
Well, that's a great question, Brian. I have this quarter from my pocket, and if you could stick this quarter inside a crack, that should be the beginning cause of concern. I've seen cracks over my 10 years of doing this that are as wide as that. But I've seen the cracks that should start concerning you are starting like the 1/8 of an inch wide, and then the 1/4 of an inch, and 1/2 inch, and 1 inch, and we have different repairs for that. So some, it's just as easy as doing epoxy fill or crack stitching or crack locks or rebar staples. But some of the displaced cracks, they should probably have voids, and they would need polyurethane plus crack repair, concrete grinding, and it's probably going to have some of our pier systems installed to lift that part up so it matches. So when should you be concerned of how wide or length of a crack? It's probably when you could stick a coin in it.
Great answer, Mark. And to recap all that, one of the biggest things that we've noticed is concrete, no matter what, cracks.
Yeah, it does.
It's whenever you start getting the wide cracks to start forming, or like Mark said, the offset joints, like on each side of the crack, that kind of shows more bending movements and different things like that. So that's when you kind of want to be concerned, and you really want to take care of it the minute you start seeing that, and not whenever it gets even wider, because obviously you can do quick, easy fixes on smaller cracks, but wider cracks are going to be a lot more costly, a lot more time consumption, and just at the end of the day, it's going to impact your way of life and your home's ability to function like it should. So thank you again for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.